Girl, it's your birthday. In here tonight.
Just that Scorpio.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it,
Hey, yo,
watch
let me
it,
take
turn
their
it,
ass back
leave
to the
it, stop,
club real quick.
formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted.
Who be the king of the sound? Bust a bus back and just put a lock on the town. How them bitches be coming from miles around. See, they be coming cause they know how to gouge. Turn it up, man, you know who holding the throne. Don't give me
These
the...
are my gifts. Like all of them. For real, for real? You gotta be kidding me. All of these are mine? To my dukes, from your least favorite, aka Trap, from Big Draco to Birthday Woman.
Put y'all names on card. What?
That's not all of mine.
Ooh.
Languages, we have you ain't no opening right now.
I do.
Every Sunday and every time.
Okay, so I got my cake, which I've already seen.
In Dallas, for those of you that are sitting at bedside Baptist and decided to worship God in your pajamas.
And I got my MacBook. Ooh.
Come on and give God a big shout.
So excited. Oh.
So I'm excited about that.
Child. All right, so
Just taught us is that we have to do things differently than how we've ever had to do them before.
any particular order I need to turn that down a little bit, just I don't want to get copyrighted. All right, this is not my bag right here. This is my boy bag. All right, so I'm gonna open this first. I know I'm gonna recycle these bags. Oh, okay. Ain't nothing else in this bag. Who picked this up? You did. Oh, and they're real. Thank you, babe. Yeah. They are the right size. Okay. And I'm wanting you to put another pair of black ripped jeans too. Thank you. What's that smell? Is rubber burning, Terrence? Alright, another Shein. What is this? A black turtleneck? Okay. Black turtleneck? Okay. A black turtleneck, which I need. I was actually looking for a black turtleneck. I got a one with the neck with no sleeves, but I wanted one with sleeves.
Well, you got both again.
Huh?
Well, you got both again.
Huh?
Keep going.
Okay, so I got the black turtleneck. Alright. It ain't hot in here, y'all, it's just me.
It's hot.
Oh, you bought me one with no sleeves. So you obviously don't watch my vlog, because I just bought this same, not the material, but when the style is the same.
It's not better than that.
It's fine. I can always have more. So I got the turtleneck with the sleeveless, but this is the real one. The one that I got is not real, so it's still different. Okay. Alright, so that's it for that bag.
Sometimes we lose sight of local tiers of government that's very important, especially when you.
Oh, she laid out. She must be tired.
I will say this into the booth, not just
You tired?
Christian self, bring your senior self,
Is that what it is?
your teenage self, bring your college self, bring your female self, all the internet.
Oh, okay.
And all for people who reflect your
Got something else. Ooh. Okay. Another camo jacket. Oh, that's cute. And it's the long one. You must have been in my cart. You been in my Shein cart? Because I had this jacket in my cart. And it fit perfect too. It's perfect. I like this size. I mean this length. This length and the size. And I could actually button it up and wear it as a shirt. Or even, well, not a shirt, but like an oversized jacket. Like, my battery about to go dead. I love the camo. Thanks, babe. And it's something.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I know I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes. I try to teach you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I've got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I need a mess of my mind. And I need to get free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go by. Loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want need me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
Happy birthday to me. Y'all, it's your girl B-Day. It's a lovely day in the neighborhood. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing well. My birthday is off to an amazing start. You guys already saw some of the things that I actually got for my birthday. And I am getting ready to head out for a little bit. Y'all, it's Sunday, so we have dinner reservations later on this evening for my birthday dinner. But right now, it's still early in the game. It's only 12 o'clock. And y'all know it's daylight saving time, so we actually gained an hour. So my timing and my body is kind of off or whatever. And I feel like it's later in the day, but it really ain't. So I'm getting ready to go to the nail shop because I got a pair of shoes and my toenail is too long. My toenail is too long. So I need to go get my toenails, my toes handled, and then I don't know where else I might go while I'm out. But I got on my birthday shirt, Queens Are Born in November. I did my hair, did my makeup, you know, just to look very put together today. I got on my Scorpio charm bracelet. Got on my Fossil watch. And, well, I can just turn the camera around, let you guys see. And then I got on some jeans. Got these jeans from Target, I believe. And I got on some gold flops. Y'all, when I say it's cool, it's warm outside, it's like 80 something degrees. Like 82, 81 degrees outside. Normally around this time of year, it's like chilly, it's cold. But yesterday and today, it's been hot. So I had plans to wear a particular dress tonight or plans to wear certain outfits tonight. But because it's so hot outside and so warm, I'm like, this is what we doing today, okay? Because I ain't trying to be hot and sweaty. You know, I look so good on my birthday and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. Just go to the nail salon, get my toes done. And then, God knows where else I might end up. And I got some time, so then I'll come back and get dressed for my dinner. So y'all rolling with me. You don't need no gas money. Just put your seatbelt on. Sit and look pretty and don't touch the radio. Don't need no gas money. Be Smooth got us straight on the gas money today, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and head out and see what the day brings us. So I'm going to call y'all back.
One time for the birthday, 2 times for the birthday, 3 times for the birthday. Get up if it's your birthday. If it's your birthday, it's your birthday, birthday. If it's your birthday, it's your birthday, birthday. If it's your birthday, it's your birthday.
freaky, I looked up her horoscope. To be continued, this a story about a Scorpio.